Discuss about agriculture practices. The biological soil fertility is the result of many processes in which microorganisms and the agriculture practices takes part. The growth of higher plants and also of animals including man depends upon the activity of soil microorganism. Sequentially there is a little likelihood of overestimating the importance of microbes in soil process. The growth of soil microbes is intimately concerned with the ability of the nutrients which determine the fertility of the soil. Anything that hastens the decomposition of soil organic matter also favor an increase in the soil fertility. A fertile soil is distinguished from an infertile soil not by the fact that it contains more nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, but by also the nutrient present in the soil are liberated with greater rapidity in the fertile than in infertile soil. There are numerous important processes which microorganisms take a part of. Among these are rock disintegration, soil structure formation and degradation, decomposition of organic matter in soil, nitrogen fixation, nitrogen transformation, liberation of mineral elements, improvement of plant growth by synthesis of the growth factors, plant and animal parasite, antagonism of the plant pathogenic microbes. It is clear that any change in the chemical and physical condition is accompanied by a change in the physical state of the soil expressed by the nature, abundance, and the activity of the soil microflora. Some treatment result in the profound alteration of the biological activity which persists for the considerable period of the time. Other treatment exert only side effect for shorter duration. Among the important treatment of the soil are the following. First one is the addition to soil organic matter in various form of manure as well as an organic fertilizer for commerce. Physical modification of the soil by plowing cultivation and the similar mechanical processes. Third, addition of the different inorganic fertilizer or the lime in its various form. Fourth, cropping the soil according to the various systems. Fifth, partially sterilization of the soil by heat or the aseptics. Sixth, air drying of the soil. The frequent cultivation of the soil considerably modify the number and the activities of the soil microbes in various ways. The process of the plugging, nuring, and the cultivating the soil accumulates several distinct processes. They mix the plant residue with the soil itself, thus leading to the better condition for the decomposition of the various residue by the microbes. They favor aeration to of the soil, thus escalating the exchange of carbon dioxide of the soil for the oxygen of the atmosphere. The oxygen is required for the various oxidation process in the soil, especially nitrate formation, decomposition of organic compound, and the oxidation of the reduced inorganic substance. Finally, soil cultivation bring about a more uniform distribution of the moisture necessary for the activity of soil microbes. Tillage, crop rotation, and the fertilization are of the great importance in the soil fertility, not only because they create more favorable conditions for the activity of the microorganism, which effect more rapid liberation of the soil nutrient, but also they modify the chemical physical aspect of the soil from the point of view of its nature, permeability, and the water retention. The structure is connected to the soil nature's filtration capacity, which allow the soil microorganism to go across or to retain by the given soil. This is related to the colloid's powers to absorb the cells of the microorganism. All the type of tillage have a favorable influence on an increase of micropopulation and on the liberation equilibrium between the various microbes groups. The increase of the microbial population can be seen by an increase or in emission of CO2 following the activation of the oxidative process on the organic matter. There is an increase in the process of nitrogen fixation, nitrification, and decrease in the denitrification process. Any change and the microbial bird of the soil by the cultivation is in the propagation to the condition of the aerobiosis, anaerobiosis, which regulate mainly the humidification mineralization process of organic substance. Overtoning of the layer would damage both nitrification and humidification process of the organic substance. Has the surface layer of the soil brought to the bottom will allow a large part of its assimilated nutrient to be dispersed. Other harmful consequences of the inversion of the layers would be interrupted of oxidation and decomposition of the toxin formed by the microbial activity present in the surface layer of the soil and bringing to the surface of the toxic substance formed deep down with the harmful effect on the microflora and vegetation. The same applies to ploughing beyond a depth of 40 centimeter. Effect of the tillage on microbial activity. The effect of repeated honing on the water content of the soil and on the number of microorganisms shows that horning improve the moisture content of the soil and can cause increase the total number of microorganisms from 6 to 18 into 10 to the power 6 per gram. Furthermore, enhancement of the nitrification process of the nitrogen fixation bacteria belong to azotobacter was detected. Surface tillage of the soil favor has a high increase of this bacterial population that passes from 2x 2 into 10 to the power 6 cells per gram before tillage to over 12 into 10 to the power 6 cells per gram 24 days after the treatment. The unfavorable effect of the tillage on the nitrogenous activity disappears 2 years from the mechanical interconversion after oil settling. Agriculture practices and the enzymatic activity of the soil. Many transformation of the soil microorganic matter are catalyzed by the enzymes, and that enzymatic activity are often used as an index of the soil fertility. Many agriculture practices such as tilling, fertilization, crop rotation in which the leguminous plant take part have more or less favorable effect on the soil enzymatic activity. An increase in the catalase phosphatase desaturase in a virgin soil put into the cultivated the enzymatic activity phosphatase, desaturase, urease, para-glucosidase are directly correlated with the soil biological fertility and can use to be characterize the various treatment of the soil. The enzymatic activity of the two solids, one left fallow and the other cultivated with red grass, considerably decreased into the fallow soil as compared to the cultivated one, where slightly increase in the activity were observed. Interaction between the crop rotation and the microbial activity of the soil. The type of the plant grown in a soil will also considerably influence the microbial population. The influence of the plant is due to the several factors. Considerable material become added to the soil from the plant root either as excretion or as a part of the root themselves. The influence of the plant on a soil moisture, salt concentration and the physical condition is largely responsible for the change in the microbial population. Subsequent to the death of the plant, appreciable amount of the new organic residue may find their way into the soil and serve as a food for the microbial inhabitants. The activity of the soil microbial population and the plant are so closely connected as to ensure living condition for all the organisms living in the soil. The rhizosphere is the soil biotype with the typical nature of the microhabitat in which the more intense biological processes are carried out indirectly and biochemical activity of the microflora plant soil complex are developed to the maximum. The plant microorganism relationship carried out in the area of the ground concerned the growth. The plant root system influence the vegetal development since the complex of the microbial activity regulate the ability of the nutrient element. The plant root in turn influence the soil microflora through the emulsion of the organic, energetic and stimulating biosubstance. This is all about agriculture practices which are done in the agriculture microbiology. Thank you and keep supporting.